yeah, I see a vine.
Oh!
We are out here collecting millipedes. They're called Andronathus corticarius. They're local to Southwest Virginia, and they produce some really cool, really unique compounds. And so we're really excited to see what potential new drug these could be.
This field is called natural products chemistry. And in fact, 70% of your drugs that you take that are prescribed to you are actually from nature. And so nature's our greatest chemist. They make really complex molecules, and these molecules have evolved to interact with animals, insects, which are very similar interactions that we would expect these molecules to have in humans. And so specifically today, we're looking at millipedes. And this is because it's been reported that these millipedes disorient ants. And if you're going to disorient an ant, it means that you're doing it with some kind of small molecule. And we started looking at these and realized they're alkaloids. They're in the same family of compounds called like morphine. And so they have the potential to be neuroactive. We're hoping to develop a new non-addictive analgesic, something to treat pain. We all know the issue with opioids, and that's not a real source or a solution to this problem. So can we find a molecule that treats pain in a non-addictive way that doesn't have the other negative effects that other pain medicines have?
Of course, you never know whether or not whatever you're working on is actually going to become a drug, but I really wanted to be able to help people in some way, shape, or form. And so I really liked this lab, looking in natural places in the environment, and then also being able to get out of the lab and be outside, be in nature, which is very uncommon in chemistry. And so with all of that, this lab was great for me in order to continue my chemistry career.